Hello and welcome to our tutorial video for the Inventables X-Carve CNC Router. I'm Steve and this is the Ting Makerspace. Today I'll be going over how to properly use our router. Pay attention to the following steps and procedures because after this video, we'll have you take a quick assessment on what you have learned in order to get you access to use this equipment. The X-Carve is an example of subtractive manufacturing. It accepts scalable vector graphic files, imports them into the router, and uses bits to carve out your design into various materials. We have multiple bits available for working at various depths and various materials, so be sure to check the bit guide before choosing. The X-Carve has a total cutting area of 29 inches by 29 inches by 2.5 inches deep, so be sure to limit your design within those dimensions. First thing we want to do is launch the Easel software. Easel is a free software that translates your design into cutting instructions for the X-Carve. Easel allows you to import files, pictures, and even create your own designs from scratch. In Easel, we will first adjust the material dimensions and update the material of the object we are cutting. If your material is not presented in the software, then choose the next closest one. Next, we will import the design we have made for this video. Next, we need to check the design for errors. Easel has a live preview of what your design will look like. If you see any red marks in your design, that means the current settings or chosen bit will not be able to cut that path. Furthermore, you can hit the Simulate button to generate the cutting paths of the router. It will also show how long your cut is going to take in case you need an ETA on your finishing time. At this time, everyone in the marked safety zone must be wearing their safety glasses. Turn on the master power switch and hit Carve in the software. Follow the instructions on the screen. The software will run through the following safety precautions and steps before routing begins. First, measure the material. Enter the correct thickness for your material. Ensure your material is securely clamped to the table. Adjust the dust shoe to rest on top of the material. Install the appropriate bit onto the router using the tools provided. Using the controls, position the bit in the bottom left-hand corner with the bit gently resting on the material. Click the Raise the Bit button. Confirm the dust shoe is attached. Use your recursion card key to turn on the spindle. Be sure to turn on the shop vac at this time. Hit Carve and the job will begin. As it's cutting, the dust shoe will collect all the shavings. Watch your job closely for any issues that might arise. Once the job is finished and the router has returned to the home position, turn off the spindle and the shop vac. Turn off the master power switch and remove your completed project. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. Remember to work safely and please leave the equipment in the same way you found it so the next maker can have a great experience too. Welcome to Ting Makerspace Westminster. We can't wait to see what you create.